Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. You can download the package of Komodo by using the next command. Extract the downloaded file with the following command. Install Komodo. Edit the install Komodo. Navigate to the extracted directory and run the following command. You might want to add Komodo to your path by adding the installed dir to your path. You can do this by running next command. Also, you can create a symbolic link to Komodo with the following command. After this, just go into your desktop, there you will find a Komodo. That's it. If you have any question, please leave me in comments.